Hey, welcome back to your Precision Data channel. It's Friday for your second video. Again, the stock for the is a fund I have a small investment in is the Vanguard International. What's it? The International Total Stock Fund. So it's really weighted towards international funds. Okay. Of course, before we get started, standard disclaimer does apply. This video is for educational purposes only. It should not be used to make financial investment or trading decisions. Let's jump into forecast. Of course, the double disclaimer is that the forecast methods we use are just for fun. It should not be taken to be. You should not be make investment decisions based on the forecast you see here. Now, here's what's kind of interesting. ETS, ARIMA. Look at this. It's almost a dead heat between the three. And look, so ETS is 15323, and your ARIMA is 1529, and your NAIMA is 153. So almost, as you can see, this is almost a dead heat. Look at the cones are almost identical, and there's no, and the lines are like just overwriting each other. Okay. Now let's get something a little more fun. Let's look at what if we use 6 months trading data. What we have? Well, we see this all the time, don't we? This big jump up here followed by a decline. The good news is you see. The 6 month and the 12 month almost wind up at the same spot. Okay, so here's the 12 month. That's about 82, and that's about 82 also. Okay. The difference between the two 6 and 12 months forecast is only $1.06. Okay. Here's the combination. Again, they both wind up the same spot. We could say that the 6 months is closer to following the actual trend. Of course, in another 3 days, we start to fund over again. We move out and we start forecasting for April. Okay, we got here now. Here's the combo plot again. So this is the disagreement gap by day, absolute between 6 and 12. You can see this right there. All right. Here's our summary. What's it say up here? 6 month forecast is 80.64 and 12 is 81.7. Very close. A difference of only 1.3%. There you have it. Your forecast for the Vanguard International Total Stock Fund. Okay.